Everyone, right, welcome to IronWorks Brewing, and we're going to try the old Citra. So let's give it a pour and we'll do a bit of a taste test. Ooh, already getting the aromas from that, very nice. Just give it a moment and see how we go. Nice head on it, nice clearing nicely. Just bring it in there, get that bad boy. Bit of a head on it, but not too bad. Right. Floral notes. Citrusy. Mango even? I was going to say bitter. It's not bitter. It's crisp, clean, sort of right at the beginning. Palate cleanser. Actually, be all right with a curry. That I think. Spicy food type beer. Very nice. That's a recipe by the Tankard Brewing boys. Cracking. That is going down very, very nice. It's good head retention. Decent carbonation as well. I did put a little bit of sugar in the keg. Not a massive amount, but just a little bit. Last couple of weeks. This is 2 weeks in keg, so pretty bloody good. Not wrong with that at all. I had to put my specs on because I can't see. So no, good clarity. I think another couple of weeks, and that'll be fantastic. If, of course, it lasts that long. That's a good beer. If you're interested, Citra Blonde, Tankard Brewing, they're online. Just Google them, you'll find them. They do some cracking brews. I also had their Superdelic Sunshine, another top one. I've got Nectron somewhere. Need to get it brewed actually, so that might actually be my next brew that I do. So watch this space. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and there's more to come. And yeah, we'll keep up to date with what's happening. I've got a few ideas in terms of what I want to do in terms of the brewing and brewing videos. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. Fruity, fruity, fruity. Excellent. Well, I'm going to leave you to it. I might just have to have another taste test, but you don't need to see me drinking that. So have a good one. Catch you next time. Don't forget, IronWorks Brewing. See you all soon.